First of all, I would like to welcome all of you guys in my channel, and if you guys haven't subscribed the channel, then please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you guys can get the notification and you guys can watch my videos more easily. In this video, I'm going to talk about the varieties of lover. I know very well that in last video also I talked about the varieties of lover, but this time I have brought this video in English. In my last video, so many viewers, they requested me to upload the videos in English also. So from today onward, I am going to upload my videos in Hindi and English both with the same content, so that the viewers who want to watch my video in Hindi, they guys can watch the Hindi videos, and the viewers who want to watch my videos in English, they guys can watch the videos in English also. So the same topic, love varieties. If I talk about the varieties in love, we know very well that India is famous for the varieties. In India, if you go outside, you will find varieties in everything. Just imagine you are going to buy a mango. So what happens? The shopkeeper, he tells you the varieties in the mango. Like this one is the Langda, second one is the Bambaiya, and the third one is the country one. It means that you find varieties in each and everything in India. So the first variety I am going to talk about, that is the puppy love. So what is puppy love? So to make you understand what is puppy love, I would like to make you listen one story. This story is about two chicks. So there were two chicks and they fall in love with each other. After some time, when they grown up, they came to know that they both are the hen. So now they came to know that the love can't be possible in between them. So this kind of love where the immaturity is more and the knowledge of love is less, where we just think that we are in love with each other, but we do not know about the love. What is love actually? So this kind of love where the immaturity is more and the love is less, this kind of love are called the puppy love. And this kind of lovers are called the puppy lover. Mostly you will see this kind of love in the teenagers. They fall in love, but they do not have the knowledge of the love. So the second variety I am going to talk about, it is about those who just fall in love, and after breaking up with that girl or that boy, they just keep thinking about that girl or boy. It means they are broken hearted. The one who is love failure, they are called the love lorn. These kind of lovers are the true lovers, you can say. They just think about the 1% for their whole life. So this kind of lovers are called the love lorn. Third variety I am going to talk about, that is, you can say, somewhat special also, because it is found in most of the boys. In boys, what happens? They fall in love with every girl they see. Actually, if there is a girl and if she is beautiful, they just fall in love with that girl. They do not have a true love with a single one. They just have a true love with everyone. They just fall in love with everyone. So it means this kind of guys who just fall in love with each and every girl. So this kind of guys are called the love rat. So the one who loves each and everyone, that person is called the love rat. And somewhere you can say these guys are a kind hearted also. They just think about the every person. This quality mostly finds in the boys. Now if I talk about the girls, the next variety, it is all about the girls. If I talk about the girls, they are also having one quality. You must have heard about today's era, that in today's era you must have heard one sentence, that is kaat ke jayegi. What does it mean? It means that she will demand for something, she will ask for the gifts, she will ask for the movie, she will ask for the parties, and after all she will leave you. So this kind of girl who just have a demand in their relationship, who just have the relationship because of some reasons. So this kind of love or this kind of lovers are called the cupboard love. So these were some varieties, and the last variety, and you can say this kind of varieties or these varieties I'm going to talk about. This varieties in every lovers nowadays, because most of the lovers, what happens after a 2 days or after 3 days, they just try to express their love in social media, or they just try to show off their love. Like, just imagine there is a person who fall in love with a girl 2 days before. After 2 days, what happens? He just posts the things on social media. He just changed his status from single to the relationship. So this kind of lovers are called the lovey-dovey. So these were 5 varieties of lovers and love. So hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then please like the video and please subscribe the channel too. So from my side, thank you for watching this video and hope your day will go good. Thank you.